सो हेलो एवरीवन, सो दिस इज मृत्युंजय, नाम केमिस्ट्री फैकल्टी इन रेजोनेंस। और अभी जेई एडवांस का 2024 का पेपर हुआ है और आज अभी 26 मई है और पेपर 2 अभी जस्ट एंड हुआ है। तो अभी बच्चे मिल रहे हैं जिनका पेपर कैसा गया। पेपर 1 कंपैरेटिवली टफ थोड़ा सा साइड में गया है, लाइक फिजिक्स वाज टफ। तो अभी पूरा जानेंगे कि पेपर का पैटर्न कुछ बदला है, कि कौन से प्रकार के कैसे क्वेश्चंस थे। तो अभी एक एक करके बच्चों से मिलते हैं और जो भी बच्चे नेक्स्ट ईयर ये एग्जाम देंगे उनके लिए कहीं ना कहीं ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल होने वाली है। उन्हें पता चलेगा कि पेपर कैसा होता है, कितना टफनेस लेवल होता है। तो सबसे पहले हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं, तो सबसे पहले खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दो।
My name is Jeevan Sagar. I studied in Resonance.
So talking about the paper, firstly we will discuss about paper 1. So how was paper 1?
Yeah, it's like a bit moderate to tough side actually.
Talking about the physics, chemistry or math, what was the most tougher side? What was?
Like physics and chemistry were like moderate, and math was like a bit lengthy and tough.
अच्छा, lengthy and
compared
tough.
to both. हाँ.
Any pattern? What was the pattern? Single choice, paragraph. How was the paper 1 pattern?
Like first is like 4 questions, single answered correct.
Okay.
Second bit is like multiple choice correct.
Okay.
Third
More
is
than one choice.
More than one choice.
Okay.
Third is like numerical. And
Okay, numerical value.
Numerical value.
Having no negative marking.
Having no negative.
Okay.
marking. And fourth is also a numerical value.
Okay. Maths the column was there in paper 1?
Paper 2 में है maths the
अच्छा तो okay. So talking about what was your expectation? Yeah, what is your expectation with these marks? How much you are expecting in paper 1?
Paper 1 like I want to score like greater than 100.
अच्छा, greater than 100. Good. So the questions that was asked in this particular paper 1, was it coming from the sheets modules like that, whatever you have solved in resonance?
Yeah, it's like many questions are like just like a value. They change the values
Okay,
from the
they
sheet.
have changed the value,
Like
but the question was coming from the directly from the sheet.
Ah,
So if any student who will be appearing for the next year, they should focus on study material.
Yeah, like doing questions a lot may help them. Like,
Okay, fine, thank you. खुद को introduce कर दो.
I'm Ashrit. I'm from Dropper Batch in Resonance Jubilee
Okay.
campus.
So talking about the paper 1, considering paper 1, what was the level of the paper 1?
Physics was moderate. Chemistry was also moderate.
Okay.
But maths was a bit difficult.
अच्छा, bit lengthy.
Bit lengthy.
So talking about the paper pattern, what was like single choice paper 1?
In paper 1, single choice, multiple select questions, numerical, and match the following questions.
अच्छा,
were
match
there.
the column was there also. Okay, so paper 1, what is your expectation from paper 1? Let me make it more simple. Paper 1 was easy or paper 2 was easy?
I felt paper 1 easy because
Okay.
my physics is a bit strong. So in paper 2, physics came a bit difficult. So that's
Okay.
why.
The question that is most important, because the most of the students who are going to prepare for JEE 2025, so what was the level of resonance mock test papers or resonance test paper or JEE advanced paper?
It was relevant.
Achha.
It was approximately the same.
Same.
Yeah.
So any student who is going to appear for the next year, they should consider more on modules, because if you have solved the
Yeah.
modules,
Yeah.
it will definitely
Yeah.
get the confidence.
Yeah.
What was your percentile in JEE main?
99.6.
Okay, so you can see, so you have got the paper. I guess it was, maybe it was hard for others, but it became easy for you, right? Okay, so expectation marks.
Don't know.
How much are you expecting from this paper? Paper 1.
Paper 1 out of 180, 70 plus.
Okay. Introduce yourself.
I'm Ratnamala, studying in Resonance,
12th or repeater?
12th.
Achha, in 12th. So what was the level of the paper 1? Talking about paper 1.
Paper 1 chemistry was doable.
Okay. And what
compared
about physics and maths?
It took a bit, it was lengthy to solve.
Okay. So talking about paper 1 and paper 2, what was the level of physics comparatively in paper 1 and paper 2? What was
I
the
can
level?
say that paper 2 was like paper 1 could be solvable,
हाँ.
whereas paper 2 it was a
हाँ.
bit
Actually,
tough.
talking with so many students, they were saying कि physics was more tougher today.
Yeah.
In both the paper,
Yeah.
physics was tougher.
Yeah.
What is the level of maths today?
Maths was kind easy than physics,
Okay.
if we
So
say
physics-
compare it.
Because in JEE main, mostly we have observed that math was on lengthier side.
Yeah.
Math was tougher. So this, most of the students are saying that physics is tougher. So my one question will be there, like most of the students who are going to aspire for JEE 2025, what would be the suggestion? Was the coaching material was sufficient to solve this JEE advanced particular questions?
If we say for subject wise, chemistry was more than enough.
हाँ, okay.
The material was good. Whereas for maths and physics, we have to do much more of
Much-
PYQ rather than
हाँ,
sheets.
PYQs rather than seed. So what is your expectation with this particular paper?
I I would hope that it's good.
What was your JEE main percentile?
87.
Okay, nice. Then you have improved much better. One last question, that overall if you consider this particular paper 1 and paper 2, so which was hard and which was easy?
Paper 2 was hard.
Paper 2 was hard. Is it like that you just got tired and like that, or paper wise level it was?
Paper wise, it was hard because physics was like I was not getting
Okay.
the proper approach.
Okay, so talking physics was more on a harder
side.
side this time. Okay, thank जे एडवांस 2024 का पेपर अभी खत्म हुआ, पेपर 2, और बच्चों से रिव्यू ले रहे हैं सो डैट कि जो नेक्स्ट ईयर अपीयर करेंगे उन्हें पता हो कि पेपर का लेवल कैसा होता है. तो टॉकिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
I'm Yuraj.
Okay. So-
Long-term repeater.
Okay.
I'm from Resonance.
12th or repeater?
I'm a repeater.
Okay, repeater. So what was the level of the paper 2 or paper 1 or paper 2? What was easy or what was tougher?
If we compare the difficulty level, we can say that paper 2 was a bit on difficult side.
Okay, difficult side. Okay.
But we can see a very high difference in the difficulty level of maths in paper 1 and paper 2.
Okay, what was the difference?
We can say that maths in paper 2 was comparatively easier than in paper 1.
Okay.
Whereas the physics, it had a very high difficulty jump.
Okay.
Physics was quite tough in paper 2 if we compare
Okay.
with that of paper 1.
Actually, the students whom I am talking, they are saying that physics was also tough in paper 1.
Yeah.
So is it tougher in paper 2 also?
Yeah, actually, in
Okay.
paper 2 it was bit
Tougher
more
side.
tougher.
What was the level of chemistry in paper 2?
Chemistry was moderate in both of them.
Acha, moderate or
I
both.
mean, for me,
What
I
is your
felt moderate.
expected marks in paper, overall paper? What are your expectations?
I can expect around 140 like that.
Acha, what is your percentile in JEE main?
My percentile in JEE Main, it's around 97.7.
Okay, good. So, talking about this particular paper, who are going to appear for next year?
Yeah.
So, the question level that you were given in Resonance, was it matching to the JEE Advanced level?
Huh?
Was it matching to the JEE Advanced level?
Some of the model questions, they actually repeated like 2 or 3 of them, we
Okay.
could say. But generally the trend, it was quite different from that of 2023.
Okay.
It was not exactly similar to that of 2023. It was quite different because as we saw, 2023 paper was easier.
Okay.
But this paper was above average, we could say.
Okay. So to all the students who are going to aspire, just be focused on the coaching study material because the paper is going to be in that frame only, right?
Yeah, I mean, somewhat yes.
Haan, somewhat yes. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Sanjana Reddy studying in Resonance.
In 12th?
12th.
Okay. So talking about the paper, what was the level of the paper? Was paper 1 easy or was paper 2 easy or both are hard?
Paper 1 was easier than
Okay. Talking about the comparatively, if we see what was the physics level of paper 1 and physics level of paper 2. So most of the students are talking that physics was tougher. So what according to you was tougher today?
paper 2 was tougher.
Okay. And in that physics was tougher.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is your expectation from this particular paper? From paper 1 you have scored more or from paper 2 you have scored more?
Paper 1.
Okay, paper 1. So to all the students who are going to aspire for JEE 2025, what is your one single message? What should they study so that they could get better marks in JEE 2025?
I prefer to study chemistry. Chemistry was little doable.
Haan,
And maths also little.
doable.
Yeah.
Today
Compared
math
to
was
physics.
comparatively on a moderate side,
Yeah.
easy to moderate side. But physics was on a
Physics
tougher
was on
side.
difficult side.
The coaching materials that you were provided or the test papers that you have solved throughout the 2-year program, so was it kind of supportive to the final paper?
Yeah. It
Level was
supportive.
matching,
Yeah.
like, so
Some
to all
of
the
the
students
questions
who
are-
are going to aspire JEE 2025, they should also rely on the study material,
Study material.
because the questions are on JEE 25%, guys. To all the students, 25% is more than enough to get a seat if you are falling from other categories, and 40% though is much more than sufficient for open category student also. So thank you for your advice. This was overall analysis of the paper 1 and paper 2. So just summarizing all the thing, like paper 2 was on a tougher side. Overall, if you see, so physics was on tougher side in paper 1 and paper 2 also. Math was somewhat doable. If you have solved the questions, you can do. Chemistry was both easier on the side. So to all the students who are going to aspire for JEE 2025, be stick to the coaching material, be stick to the mock test papers, and math is also doable. So to all the students who are just leaving the maths, don't leave the maths. Just try to solve the maths. You can do it. For physics, try to go with some extra book also. And all the best to all the students who have crack this particular JEE 2024. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe our